Okay, so in this little princess series kind of thing I've been doing, I've got 2 lipsticks left. So the 2 I have left are Jasmine and Snow White. And I figured Jasmine would be the last one that I did because it's so bright. I just can't figure out what I'm going to do with it. So these are Jasmine and Snow White over here. So these are the 2 colors that I've got left in this little series I've been doing on my channel. But I texted my friend today and I said, should I do Snow White or Jasmine next? And she said Jasmine. So I guess I will not be waiting to do Jasmine last. But I'm actually like super not sure what I'm going to do with this pink color. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this NYX pigment primer and just prime my eyelids. Okay, so now I want to go into the color Chip and just kind of set that down so it has a more powdery base. Now I want to use this Real Techniques eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Triton, and I want to work this in the crease. Now I'm going into Abu, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well, but I'm not going to blow it out like I did Triton. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to go into Ray. Now I'm going to go into Magic Carpet on a flat shader brush and put this on the outside of my eyelid. And I'm going to use that same blending brush that I used with Triton and Abu and just blend that out in the crease so it's not so harsh. I'm just putting Juju on the front half of my lid with another flat shader brush. With a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend all of that out again. Now I was thinking I was going to use this Astrology Supernova shadow above my crease, but I'm thinking I'm going to just use it to line my lashes and create a small wing. So to do this, I'm going to take out the wand and just put that on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to use this small liner brush to dip into that and make the wing. Now I'm going to line the upper and lower waterline with a black pencil liner. Alright, I'm going to curl my lashes and put on 2 coats of mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, and like I did for my brow bone, I'm also going to use Ray as my inner corner highlight. Okay, so I really like the way that this eye makeup turned out, actually. Definitely did not expect to like it this much. But now that it comes to lipstick, I'm a bit nervous on how it's gonna look, and so let's put that on and find out. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was the 5th out of the 6 princess in the collection. So the last one will be Snow White, and I'm really excited for her as I love red lipsticks. So if you want to keep watching, then subscribe or just keep an eye on my channel for that one to come out, and I'll see you in that video. Bye!